Now we establish the reference to the parent table. And the parent table is, of course, the members table, because the members table contains the IDs of all the members. And the ID variable of the members table, which is the primary key of the members table, is called members ID. So after writing the name of the parent table, for which we want to establish a reference to the child table, we have to set or specify within parentheses the name of the primary key of the parent table. And the name of the primary key of the members table is the column labeled members ID. And we have to put this name into parentheses. And that's all. Then we can close in the next line the open parentheses we started with at the beginning, and then writing a semicolon. And now we can execute this command and establish a new or create a new table, sports2, with the child table to the parent table members.